Hi, today we're going to install the VDB780B, the wireless video doorbell by Alarm.com. Let's open up the package, see what's inside. We have our instructions, installation guide, very short. We have the wall mount for a 10-degree tilt. We have some installation screws and a charging cable. This is the base plate, and this is the battery-powered camera itself. If you look inside, you'll see it's made up of two parts. It's made up of the device itself and the battery. There's the battery pack, and there's the camera. Let's check that out. This is the device that's going to allow us to put the video doorbell on our Wi-Fi network. So we're going to install the Alarm.com Smart Chime. We'll actually use that QR code in just a second. How we do this is we launch the Alarm.com app, we go into Add Device, and we hit Video Camera. We're prompted to enter the MAC address down here at the bottom, and we'll show it the QR code on the device. We'll accept that correct number and just follow the next steps to install the Smart Chime. Once installed, we'll just plug it in a wall near the doorbell. So now it's time to add the doorbell. We just open the Alarm.com app, go to More, Add Device, and go down to Doorbell Camera, find our doorbell camera, the VDB780B, and follow the instructions. And we've got the VDB780B installed. Let's give it a try. And you can hear the Smart Chime is right there. Now the next time we go into the Alarm.com app, we'll see two doorbells, the Rec Room doorbell and the front doorbell. I've selected the Rec Room. Let's just press the button to view the doorbell itself. And there's our view of our doorbell from the camera. Now, if I want to go to look at all the videos that were recorded automatically, I can just go to the Save tab, open up any of them, and now from this page I can download, I can share, provide feedback, or delete the videos from our new doorbell camera. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a great day. If you enjoy these videos, please like and subscribe.